Hi everyone. Before you skip this video, just listen for 30 seconds. This channel is not about showing off success because honestly I haven't not made any business or startup yet. But I am not waiting still I am making to start sharing. I am building everything product, idea, brand, confidence from zero right here in front of you. No filter, no editing out mistake. Just real truth and real work and the real dreams. If you are tired about saying after success story, then you are at the right place. So namaste. My name is Pratik Patil. I am from Maharashtra, currently studying in computer science in third year from MIT Academy of Engineering Pune. I am just 21-year-old guy and not CEO, not business guru, not founder, just curious student who wants something more in the life. So eventually what I want more freedom, more fun, more learning, someday more income. This channel is my public journey and a digital documentary. Not fake hustle, not fake acting like I know everything or I am perfect in everything. I am figuring out as I am going and sharing with you. So let's know why I started Grow 4738X. I don't have startup right now. I am also not having lack of followers and funding, but I started this because I want to build right ideas, right brand and the right community. Before I launch anything, product or my brand, I want to build in public, learn what works and show very reality and what happens and what I did mistake, how I failed and fix it and trying it out and figuring out each and everything from scratch. While showing it all, I just believe in that if it works, then the great thing. And if it fails, no, not loss, it's just learning. So moving out and having hard work day by day. Moving to next part, what is Grow 4738? This channel is like my growth lab. Here I will be testing startup ideas, sharing my learnings, documenting every small wins and big mistakes, thinking out loud. I am not teaching, I am just learning with you. While other post after their big success stories, I am showing the process while I am still small and doing from zero. So what makes this different and what is our USP? Most channels show success. I will showing struggle and the reality. So first point is I'm not the expert and I'm just experimenting. Second one, I will be sharing raw problems, not polished stories. And the third one is you will be seeing my mindset, not just metrics. Fourth one, I will talk you, not just the algorithm. It's not about one business, it's about a mindset that helps you growing in your life, career and the startup. So moving further, why you should believe in us, the reason behind that, why you should even believe in this, because I am not there to sell dreams. I don't have any past success hide behind. I'm just starting from zero like many of you. And my goal is simple, building my first 1000 plus users before I launch my first product. Also, building community, a right community, not followers. This is my raw commitment, figuring out till I reach and trying out still I get my output. So, moving to the next, what content you will get. So, what kinds of video are coming? Weekly content like startup ideas and framework, business model and deep dives, real case studies, my personal experiments throughout the business and the startups, and failures. Also, somewhere creator and startups tool I'm using. And eventually, I had started one playlist for SaaS model, a sprint series for SaaS model, starting your first business, my own startup journey, and also the step by step from the scratch how to I did created. So the main comes here the disclaimer for viewers. So before you subscribe our channel, you must know this. First one, here I am not going to give you some mantras and to get rich quickly in one day. Not guarantee of growth hacks, and there will no fake personality. There will be right and reality things I will be doing. This is slow, and honestly, I will be doing. and 1% daily growth together. And it will be very organically, not just fake views and at all. If you are chasing real changes in life mentally, emotionally, financially, then you are be feeling at home here. Let's grow together. If you are relating even some part of this, then do one thing. Hit subscribe button, drop comment, tell me your name and your goal, and share it with your one friend who also figuring out in their life. Let's build community that's grow from ground level without pretending. This isn't my journey, it's our journey. Right? I'm just putting a mic to it, and thanks for even watching still here. And I'm not perfect. I don't know it all, and but I'm here for trying, and maybe that enough. Welcome to Grow 473X, where raw truth meets real growth. Let's build together, meaningful together. Yeah, the last line I should tell you, I'm not ahead of you, I'm just next to you, trying, 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 till I get.